The Little Sisters of the Poor suffer a setback in court, but their attorney promises it's only temporary. A federal court blocked the Trump administration's plans to reverse an Obamacare mandate. It would force the religious sisters and other employers to cover birth control. White House correspondent Mark Irons reports. Good evening, Mark.
Wyatt, the Little Sisters of the Poor challenge with the Obamacare contraceptive mandate continues now with legal challenges, and the stress continues during the holiday season.
So what the Ninth Circuit did yesterday is issue a decision that allows California to continue its unnecessary lawsuit against the Little Sisters. It's a temporary decision, temporary loss on a temporary rule. What it means is that the Little Sisters are going to have to spend another Christmas in court defending their religious exemption.
Diana Verm is an attorney with Beckett Law, the firm representing the Little Sisters. She says this week's court decision is disappointing. Delaware, Maryland, New York, and Virginia joined the California lawsuit blocking the Trump administration's attempted reversal of the Obamacare birth control mandate. That mandate required employers to cover contraceptives, abortion-inducing drugs, and sterilization. The Department of Justice says changes were made to the mandate to protect a small group of sincere religious and moral objectors from having to violate their beliefs. Verm believes the Little Sisters have a winning argument that will overcome the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals decision.
It's common sense that the government doesn't need nuns to get contraceptives to women, so eventually the courts are going to figure that out if California doesn't.
Verm says she hopes the Little Sisters of the Poor will be given a long-term government exemption from the mandate. In 2016, the Little Sisters of the Poor had their case heard before the High Court. It sent it back to the lower courts. Now the sisters' attorneys remain confident if it goes back to the Supreme Court, they'll win. Wyatt?
White House correspondent Mark Irons reporting. Thanks, Mark.